Pomelo fruits, Citrus maxima, or big lemon. History or background. Pomelo fruits, botanical name, Citrus maxima. Pomelo fruits means biggest citrus or biggest lemon. Pomelo fruits, officially called grapefruit, shaddock, having jambola. Pomelo fruits family, Rutaceae. Pomelo fruits structure. Pomelo fruits is a large citrus fruit 15 to 25 centimeter in diameter. Pomelo fruits weight 1 to 2 kg. Pomelo fruits contain 10 to 18 segments. Pomelo fruits taste tangy and sweet and tart flesh tastes. Mild grapefruit like that taste are there are two varieties, sweet kind with white flesh and sour kind with pinkish flesh or red flesh. Pomelo fruits nutrition values. According to US Department of Agriculture Research Service, pomelo fruits nutrition values every per 100 gram fruits following values. Water 89 gram, vitamin C 61 milligram, 73% in daily value, carbohydrate 9.62 gram, energy 159 closer 38 kilocalories, dietary fiber 1 gram, fat 0.04 gram, protein 0.76 gram, more vitamins combination, minerals 0.11 milligram, magnesium 6 milligram, phosphorus 17 milligram, potassium 216 milligram, sodium 1 milligram, zinc 0.08 milligram. Pomelo fruits health benefits. Prevention of urinary tract infection. Pomelo fruits increase acid level in urine and also fight against urinary tract infection. Boosts immune system function. Pomelo fruits act boosts immune system function to increase white blood cell activities and also fight against fever, common cold, cough, respiratory infection, and other common infection diseases. It helps prevent cell damage and oxidative stress also. Next benefit is for cardiovascular health. Pomelo fruits contain more potassium, nutrition component. It helps to reduce the bad cholesterol level of total cholesterol and triglycerides. So it helps clear arterial deposit in our body, reduce heart stroke, heart attack, and cardiovascular problems. Strongest bone. Health potassium keeps bone strong, keep it always healthy, and prevents bone major problems, osteoporosis, and bone weakness like arthritis problems. Tooth care. Pomelo fruits contain more vitamin C. It will help to produce collagen. It make kids' teeth strong and prevent bleeding of gums and loss of teeth, reduce bad breath. Weight loss. Pomelo fruits contain low fat. It helps to weight loss and contains fiber, keeps full of stomach long time. Digestion. High amount of fiber promote healthy digestion, reduce gastrointestinal disease like diarrhea and constipation. Next benefit is for healthy skin. Pomelo fruits contain rich antioxidant. It daily consuming reduce acne and pimples, skin dryness and wrinkles, fine lines also. grow long hair. Pomelo fruits keep to prevent hair fall and dandruff and to promote hair growth, prevents hair thicker and strong. Prevention of cancer cell growth. Pomelo fruits antioxidants can fight cancer cell growth and suppress the cancer growth cell. Slows signs of aging. Treat metabolic disorder, protect chronic diseases. Pomelo fruits treat metabolic disorder, protect chronic diseases, example asthma and diabetes. Complications can also prevent muscle cramps. Pomelo fruits rich electrolyte contain it prevent muscle cramps. Body energetic. Pomelo fruits sufficient amount of fluids and electrolytes. It make our body always energetic, more and more active of day. Prevention of anemia. Pomelo fruits rich vitamin C. It absorbs iron and helps recover that lost iron. Pregnancy. Pomelo fruits fight against tiredness faced in pregnancy, reduce bacteria in urinary tract infection, and tightening of muscles during pregnancy. Strength of injury skin. Pomelo fruits strength of injury skin and promote wound healing process. So best advice for who undergoing surgical procedure patient. Pomelo fruits, citrus maxima or big lemon side effects. Pomelo fruits high amount of vitamin C and potassium. It's dangerous for liver and kidney clients. Kidney stone will develop. Pomelo fruits will take continuous cholesterol lowering drugs, example statins, for hypertension patient because of it aggravates to lower blood pressure, client undergone hypotension. Individual who have allergic to vitamin C should avoid to eating pomelo fruits.